Charlie. In this video, I am going to show you how to make birthday greeting card. Let's start. First, I am taking a pink paper and folding it. Now, I will take one white paper and open this pink paper and stick it inside. Now, finally, it looks like this. Now, I am going to show you how to make a butterfly and stick it here. Now, we will take 12 by 9 paper, 10 by 7 paper, 7 by 6 paper. We will take the biggest paper and fold it, the big 12 by 9 paper. After folding it, we will take the another one, second one, 10 by 7 paper and also fold it. Now last one, 7 by 6 paper and fold it. Now we will draw a butterfly on it. I have done by drawing one butterfly on a paper. This is same size paper how the white paper is. Now I am going to keep white paper inside this green paper. Now I am going to cut it. I draw the butterflies and make it ready. Now I am going to stick the butterflies. Now I am going to stick this two sides tape. First we will take the butterfly and stick this. Now I will stick it. Now we will do the same to the white. Now finally it looks like this. Now I am going to draw a straight line and cut it. Now I am going to cut here. Now I am going to make a flower and put it here. First we will take a square paper and fold it in triangle. Then another triangle. Then one more. Now we will draw a curve. Now I am going to cut it. Now I am going to write happy birthday. Now finally it looks like this. Now I am going to stick butterflies here. Now I am going to write a message for my sister. Finally it looks like this. Happy birthday, Monday.
Thank you.